In today's episode, we start in southeast London, Greenwich, Cutty Sark. I link up with the boys, we get the bikes out, we go all the way to Enfield, which is up north, 21 miles, just to meet up with the people from Ride Free and London Hitters for the weekly bike meet at Krispy Kreme's Enfield. Everyone's going to be posted up there, the bikes are going to be crazy, enjoy the vids. Yes people, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another vid, another vlog. This is the day after yesterday, and indeed we are vlogging again. Got my boy in the M1000RR, the XavzLife and the V4S. We're going to North London, I believe, or Northwest. Got a big link up with some of the people, so you guys know what it is. But anyway, yeah. Yes, boys! Sunny weather, finally! Finally! It's gonna be chaos! It's gonna be chaos today, madness! What? For 5 days? Yeah, man, we needed this! We needed this! So as you can see, we're currently embarking on our journey from Greenwich, Cutty Sark, SE109EJ in the O2 Arena, and we have roughly 21 miles of riding up north to get to location 1 in Enfield with a journey time of roughly 54 minutes. But if you know us, we'll do it in about 30 to 35 minutes. And if you don't know what the Cutty Sark is, it's basically a ship that sells ports across the world, carrying cargo such as tea, wool, cocoa beans, coal, shoes and much more. Anyway, history lesson over, back to the riding. That was busy. 3 top bikes. Oh. You know I'm bringing the bike sauce to you guys in the UK scene. Bring you all them nice exotics. Guys, we're heading to North. I'm not going to film too much of this, we're just riding a little bit. When we get closer to where we're meant to be, then I'm going to film for you guys. Some mad reunion going on, look at this. Jeez. Huh? When we're hitting North Circular? Yeah, North Circular Road. Hey, left. So you good, yeah? is strong. Mad strong. Right, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna film this part. I might as well. Hopefully this GoPro lasts. Play some music in the background. We've got Meeks, Mini-Me's.
Seconds later.
Bike life. This weather and these bikes, game over. Love it. I'm not gonna lie, I might confess bike life may be better than car life. I'm not gonna lie. I hate filtering through this. This so you need a loud exhaust. It honestly makes so many people aware of your presence and they're much less likely to go into you. Nice plate on this E-Class convertible. 78 MP. Nice, 4 characters. Now the roads are more open. Now we can have a little bit more fun, shall we say. Come now. Ah, hell no, the traffic is bad. M3 baby, love that.
Yes, bro.
You good, bro?
Yeah, you?
See, man. Yeah, all blessed, bro.